It's fine if you're having second thoughts about the party.
Au contraire, mademoiselle. Le grand fête is still, as you say in your country, on.
This is your country, too.
I'm a citizen of the world, as is my pater, who is leaving for Dubai tonight. Prepare yourself for decadence not seen since the Holy Roman Empire fell victim to its own debauchery. Dress accordingly.
What time?
Whenever you want. The party won't start till you get here.
Don't tell me that was the elusive Victor.
Oh, no, not Victor. Spencer.
Please tell me that you and Spencer are not on the outs again.
No, this isn't about Spencer.
Grandmother, Kevin.
Speak of the devil.
Were you talking about me?
We are now. Where are you going?
I'm not going anywhere. This is Father's. Shouldn't you be on your way?
There's something I've been meaning to ask you. After I saw the two of you together, Spencer came to see me. Did you have anything to do with that?
I don't know. I told Spencer how upset I was that you and his father were getting divorced. I also made it clear that you and I are friends and how much I admire you.
Trina.
Why? What happened?
Nothing. I mean, Spencer and I had a surprisingly civil conversation, considering how he feels about me and the promise I broke. He didn't have to reach out to me at all.
So what did you guys talk about?
My marriage to his father. But this time, though, it was less about his dislike of me and more about his concern for his father's safety.
Because of the stalker?
Yes, exactly. Anyway, I agreed that I wouldn't speak directly to Nicholas anymore, and we would communicate through our lawyers.
And you're okay with that?
No. But I resigned myself to it. No, my point is, I was impressed with Spencer's devotion to his dad.
I think in his own way, Spencer loves his father as much as I love mine.
It's just so unfortunate that Spencer didn't know his mother, you know? Not like you, you're so lucky. You and your mom are so close.
Not anymore.
Thank you for thinking of me, son, but I don't need to leave quite yet.
Well, your luggage is waiting.
Spencer.
Dr. Collins.
Your grandmother tells me that you're upset about the mistakes that I made with my brother.
Mistake. The one that nearly took my Aunt Lulu's life. The one that did take Kiki's. I mean, Ava's not my favorite person, but she certainly didn't deserve what your brother did to her.
Yes, those mistakes. And you're right, I never should have tried to treat my brother on my own. But if you choose to remain angry at me, there's very little I can do about it.
I'd say that there is nothing you can do.
Except remind you that your enmity weighs heavily on your grandmother.
Playing the grandmother card might not be beneath you, Dr. Collins, but it is certainly beneath me.
I am not a card to be played. And it does hurt me. He's my husband. I love him. I expect you to make some effort towards making peace.
Well, grandmother, all you had to do is ask.
Thank you. So, about this trip?
It's just a business trip. I need to go to Dubai.
Ah, well, in that case, Kevin and I will stay here with Spencer.